Today's my birthday, so let's get on with it.
Look, here's your video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Welcome, Unboxy. Happy birthday to you. And you, Hey, you want to try Foxy?
Okay.
Hey, okay, this is good.
Hunter Foxy, happy birthday! I got you a present.
What?
It's one special present me and Golden Freddy and my Pokemon got for you. And me, your own Pokemon.
Yay!
And you're not a Pokemon Five Nights at Freddy's fan? Please don't watch this video. It wasn't donated for you.
So this is my channel. Look over, part 2.